It allowed us really to try new things, which probably some of them we may not have tried because there was some investment and stuff needed to do them. Having the advice as well helped us try new things. So having access to, people like Chris earlier on the grasslands, reducing N, that helped a lot. And then Andy Dodd helped with the genomics one as well. So just access to that sort of advice probably allowed us to try new things and yeah, experiment. That's what we like doing, really. It was interesting. We were able to look at which ones were higher on the genomic scale and compare them with then milk sampling and some of that. And you could see trends. You could definitely see the benefits of it. And I think as we go into a more consolidation stage in the next probably in the next 2 or 3 years, we'll look back at that and possibly it's a tool that we'll pick up again then as a way of really picking out the best. So working with Farming Connect allowed us to bring in Chris earlier. It meant we could really trial reducing N. We were sort of on a course of looking at reducing N anyway. We were typically before that fairly high N users, but by doing the trial and work with Chris, sort of actually having a field where we really did reduce the rate and actually reduced it to nil in places, we could really see where the sweet spot was for us. You could see that sort of reducing it down to that sort of 90, 100, 120 kilo around there. We only were losing 5% of production, but we were still seeing 95% of the production from over half production in N. It's really good if you're someone who likes to try different things or wants to try some things and is a bit unsure. It's a great way of getting some real expert advice and maybe a bit of funding towards it. It allows you to do those trials properly. But maybe on a farm, often you sort of try new things and you're a bit unsure as to whether you're gaining or losing. But I think Farming Connect allows you to do it with a bit more background to it and get some proper experts in.